guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're well and I hope you're having a great day. So in today's video, it's just a quick one really. I'm on the Super City and we're going to be taking it out for a drive. Now, it was my birthday last week, half a century. Yeah, I know, I can't believe it either. And for my birthday, I got an Insta360 camera. It's a really cool piece of kit and it literally allows you to film 360 degrees. You capture everything, and then afterwards in the edit you can do some really clever and cool things. Now I've got to say thank you to Mark, who is a partner on the channel, does the videos on the Cooper S, etc., because Mark kindly donated an Amazon gift voucher and that allowed me to buy some accessories for the Insta360 camera. So I apologise there's no mechanical content, but genuinely I was having a lot of fun last weekend celebrating my birthday. But I do have an update on the Super City engine modifications. So as I said, thanks to my family and friends that donated to the Insta360 camera. It's a really cool piece of kit. And you'll see in the videos in a moment, there's some fantastic and really clever trick stuff you can do with it. Really interesting when you put it on the back of a car. And then thanks to Mark, I bought this super long, it's not that long actually, it's probably only about 6 or 7 feet. It looks massive in the videos though, it's just the way it does some clever stuff. We've got a telescopic selfie stick and we've got a very sort of industrial car mount, which I'll show you in the video. Yeah, it does need to be mounted very securely. Now, I did actually just measure the length of the telescopic pole, the Insta360, and it is literally just under 4 foot long, so it's not very long at all. And this video I'm going to show in a moment is with the camera literally just mounted on the top of the car like that, and it captures everything. So, very quick update on the Super City. I have here a 12G 295 cylinder head. This was kindly donated by Graham Woodier, so thank you very much, Graham. I really do appreciate it. Graham actually took this off a car in the scrapyard in the 70s, so he's known the head for a very long time. It doesn't look like it's ever been skimmed. It's got everything there, but obviously we're going to give it a full overhaul. It's got double valve springs. I'm not sure what car this would have come off. I'm sure Graham will probably drop a comment in the description. But this is absolutely ideal if we're going to do a boosted setup, be it supercharged or turbocharged. So just before we get into the video, I was really confident I knew what I wanted to do with the Super City. I got quite excited about it, but once I put out that video talking about what I was going to do, I started getting opinions and views and advice from lots of different people, people I respect and trust and know what they're talking about. And I'll talk about it in a later video, but at the moment, I really don't know what option I'm going to go down now with the car. Yeah, I got good feedback and bad feedback, but it's left me very indecisive about what I'm going to do. I'll talk about that in an upcoming episode, but for today's video, please just enjoy these lovely shots of the Super City driving through the countryside.
One time, 2 times, too many. I've been lost, but now I'm found, and I'm not taking it again. So I won't let you say I hate. You have tried to bring me down. One time, two times, too many. I've been lost, but now I'm found, and I'm not taking it again. So I won't let you stay ahead, stay ahead. I'm leading, not gon' play defense. I won't run from this time. I won't, no I won't. I will fight back, stand back on my own. So I won't let you stay ahead, stay ahead. I'm leading, not gon' play defense. I won't run from this time. I won't, no I won't. I will fight back, stand back on my own. You cut like knife, but can't break a diamond. You are a beast, but I am undead. You held me down, but I'm a climber. You stole my life, but I am thunder. You cut like knife, can't break a diamond. You are a beast, but I am undead. You held me down, but I am a climber. You stole my life, but I am thunder. I am thunder. I am thunder. I am thunder. You stole my life, but I am thunder, thunder. All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive, going wrong like monsters. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive, going around like monsters. Playing with the monsters.